with Abib's Skoda Superb today. Abib is one of our recent competition winners. He won a single stage hydrogen based engine carbon clean service that we're just giving to his Skoda Superb right now. So just take you around quickly. So I'm in a courtesy car today, so apologies for not having the branding on the vehicle. And we'll be back with Abib. He's going to go for a test drive in about half an hour, and he'll come back and give us his verdict. So here comes Abib back from his test drive, having had a stage 1 carbon clean service. Let's see what he thinks. Hi Abib, how you doing?
Not bad, mate.
Good, good. So what do you think then?
Really big difference in the pickup of the car. The noise is gone absolutely. I can't hear engine now, and the gear changes are beautifully smooth.
So
I would 100% recommend this to everyone.
Oh, it's
and
fantastic.
I'll be regularly doing this, hopefully after 2-3 months again.
And you're a taxi driver, aren't you, Abib?
So and I would suggest this to all drivers to please do this carbon clean. It's amazing because I've read the feedbacks and now I've done it myself. Trust me, you will feel the difference.
Oh, that's brilliant, Abib. Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.